Welcome. If you want to create a party on your PlayStation 5, at the first you have to grab your controller and then click on the PlayStation button. After that we have to go down and find the game base, so click X to enter. And right now just go to view all parties and then move to the right upper corner and click to create a party. And right now we are able to search a player, find on your friend list, and also you can select the players that you play together. But of course I'm always offline and I cannot add anyone, but here you'll be able to pick the player, and after that, if you add everyone, you are able to go on the right corner and click OK to create a party. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.